20% throttle. If I floor it like, oh, easy boy. And then floor it, gear, shift, and go. The guy behind me, literally. Hey guys, Rocket John here, just signing on to say that this, if you don't know, this is the second part of a video that I shot a while back. I had to divide it into two parts, being two roads. So if you haven't checked out that first video yet, this car just flies. Let's begin. Please, I'm gonna leave a link at the end of this video, so please check it out. It's tons of fun. You'll love it. Small convertible rear wheel drive. Especially now during the summer, I love that, and a little motorcycle. Just have fun. I would love to do this road in a motorcycle. Now we just left the road we're currently in, and now we're just arrived at this one, which is good for It's good for gaining speed. I actually should have recorded the way here as well, but it was so hot. It was so hot that I couldn't really just floor it because the car was really hot. Now it's cooled down a little bit. Yeah, still the car is a little bit harder than usual. It's okay then. Yeah, if we took the right there, it would be a more dangerous path, but that path is really cool if you're coming here, but when you're going back, it's really it's really not that cool. It's just going up. It's really cool going the other way. The other way, because it's going downhill and it's really fun. Driving that with my shit box, it felt like I was driving like a rally car. See, this road is really cool. With the brakes, bit, floor it, not the red light, please. Slow way to the apex. Oh, red light shit. A little bit of rev matching, and looks like we're gonna have to come to a stop. Let me know, guys, if you like first of all, I think the videos are improving, and if you like to, it's gonna be green. Yep. And if you like to hear me speak, or if I'm just plain annoying, if you just prefer like the silence, the sound of the road, the sound of the car. Wasn't that a red light that guy just passed? Yeah, that guy just passed the red light. Whatever. Yeah, let me know, guys, if you prefer silent videos, or if you prefer just me like vamping and feeling the silence, narrating my driving. Let me know, guys. Yeah. And if you also would like just to hear my voice, or if you like to hear the road, man, I could do like I don't really feel like it. See, like here, like 20% throttle. If I floor it, like, oh, easy boy. Like it just feel immediately the difference. Like, look at this thing. Like, damn. This road is actually really cool as well. I don't want to push my luck yet. Just letting it go, and then floor it, gear, shift, and go. It's really loud. Sorry. It's so hot in here. I have to have the windows up a little bit. Let's just brake a little bit because I don't see anything in that I was used to driving a shitbox that even going downhill was slow as shit. And you know, just feeling the power on your feet. Like, I was really happy before when the car was stock with the stage 1 2. It was just so worth it. Like, it's a completely different car. And I honestly, that's why I'm doing this. Actually, I really want this channel to grow because I really want to. I think I can make something of this car, even with it being a diesel and all. I think I can make a really cool build here. Like, look at this 4th gear. I'm not even all the way 100% of the throttle. Oh shit! Like, you see this roll? Like, how is the limit here? Like 50 kilometers an hour. Like, I can just easily do 180 here. Hopefully without killing myself. So guys, that's it. Like, an air intake here, just a few other 70 kilometers here. A few other modifications, and this car would be like a beast. More than it already is. Let's look at the silence. You see a little bit of the crickets. Like, I just love this part of the. I just love this part. See, like, I didn't even go all the way. I could just smoke the guy behind me, literally. That's just insane. Suspect of the engine here a little bit. Get the apex in the corner. Not too much though. I don't want to skid. Careful of the pothole. Just go. Shift. Go. Rev matching. Just go. And I'm gonna have cars in front of me. Hey guys, hopefully you're enjoying the video. I just love to drive when the roads are empty. We just caught a little. We're just catching a little bit of traffic, but this road is incredibly fun to drive in. I'm not, like I said, I'm not driving to the fullest of my potential because, like I said, fuel is expensive, and yeah, I just ate. I don't want to show you guys my dinner, but yeah, this road was really fun, especially if you're doing it like in like at 2, 3, 4 in the morning. 0 cars is really fun. Let's break up the engine. Yeah, it's really fun road to drive in. You know, once this road, I was actually in this car pre-tune, I think, and I stopped in a red light right there. Right, a little bit farther ahead. I think it's the next red light, or maybe the one after that. You know what? But yeah, the next red light, I believe. I just stopped there, and I was just like stopped. There was a car behind me. I looked around, no police, and I was like, you know, I haven't launched this car properly in like a good while. Let's give it like a really proper good launch. I just launched the car. I just smoked the guy behind me, and just flooring it, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th gear. I don't know what speed I got to. And then when I looked back, the guy behind me is just right behind me. Like, he just saw me go and he just went for it as well. And we're just in a straight line, both of us doing this road. We eventually had to stop because of traffic, which was a shame. But we're just having, yeah, it was just fun. He was driving like an Audi or something like that. Can I overcome here? Nope. Not without dying at least. What about now? Now it's perfect. Let's go. Just the control that I have now, like with the throttle. Oh shit, the red. Yeah, this is red light as well. Yeah, this is like, just the control that I have now. Like, I can just give it like half throttle, and just the car is pulling really fast. It's pulling really well. And when I really want that boost, I just floor it, and it's just like that. It's really cool, the control that I can have now. Before it wasn't like this. No, it wasn't at this light. I Nah, I don't know, man. Maybe this one, because that one has a roundabout right there. I don't know if it was this one. Maybe the one after that, which is a bigger straight. Yeah, also in these roads, like here to the left, let's not kill the people. Skr. Also in the road to the left, the other day my friend had a BMW i4 and we were just testing out the car. Like, that shit is fast. We're just launching it all day. Like, we left the car. I was with a very big headache from launching it so hard, so many times. It was actually really fun. I don't know if you guys ever had that thing, like when I had my shitbox before this one, the car was so fucking slow, just so uninteresting to drive. I would just drive and I was just like a kid, like pretend that I was driving fast. So I would just be like, brrr, 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 you know, just making the noises with my mouth because the car was so slow and uninteresting to drive. Let's break with the engine. Let's see what this got. I forget. It's gonna. Yeah, you see, like the guy behind me is just going at it. It's like a Seat Ibiza. He's just going at it behind me. Like, we're just vibing. We're just vibing. It's really fun when this happens, actually. I have to open the window, guys. Sorry, it's so fucking hot in here. I'm the only one that doesn't like turning on the AC. Like, other than the fact that it makes your car a little bit slower. This one you don't notice as much, but the other one, on the other one, I notice it more. I don't know. It's just I don't like breathing AC air. It just makes me. I don't like it. Yeah, guys. But we're reaching the end of today's video. Hopefully you liked it. Please subscribe if you like this type of content. Comment what would you like to see me do with this car, and please leave a like if you like the video.